Say hi! Hello! Going to America! Oh! See you!
Hi! Hello!
What is your first impression of this book, right?
It's beautiful.
Wow! Wow! Yan ang kagabi na umiilaw, oh. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh no!
Shaking!
Oh! The boat is shaking!
So nice!
Wow!
Ano tayo, idol?
Hello!
What are your expectations for today's
It's so
video?
amazing and very beautiful place!
Kapag crab.
Kapungka! Pandi!
Lalo po dyan.
Pandi koko!
Tapos na! Yes!
Ma'am Lorna, nakikita mo ako?
Tapos!
Malaki? Maliit? Sakto?
Kapag-una ko pa.
Pusa!
Hello, Kapag crab.
Siya nga, oh.
Sawadi ka.
Oh, kampi. Tayo! Waka! Kaway-kaway!
Yeah! Bye-bye na kami! Bye-bye! The other one, sakay pa muna, sakay.
Ah! Nagbayo lang ngayon kita. Okay. We are here. Nag-cross lang kami. Nag-cross. Ito tayo. Wapa! Nag-cross lang kami. Akala ko ikot-ikot. Oo nga. Nag-cross talaga lang sa river. Cross lang.
The longest cruise ever. It took us only 5 minutes.
Really, as a statement, 5 minutes.
We're going to the temple.
That's where
Temple of what?
the temple of Ambon. I cannot remember.
What Arrow Temple?
Single line, please. One single line. One
One
line, one
single
line.
line, okay.
One line, please.
Okay. Ticket for Bataron. Bataron.
Per person.
200 baht.
$40 minutes.